What is up, math superstars? In this edition of Mr. Peterson Presents, I'm bringing to you all about bases and exponents. So now let's talk about what is a base and what is an exponent. And so here we have 8 to the power 3. So 8 is a base. So this is the number that is going to be multiplied. And our exponent here, so our base is 8, our exponent is 3. This is going to tell us the number of times the base is used as a factor. And so we read this number 8 with an exponent as 3 as 8 to the third power. So right now we have 8 to the third power. So what we're going to do is we're going to write out our base is 8. And the exponent 3 tells us we're going to multiply 8 3 times. So we have 8 times 8 times 8. And when we do that in our handy-dandy calculator, it gives us a final answer of 512. So we need some key information here. 8 to the third power, when it's written with using the exponent, we call this exponential form. Go ahead and pause it, make sure you write it out properly. Some people say, does spelling count? Spelling counts because it makes you look smarter. When we write it out as 8 times 8 times 8, this is what we call expanded form. This is the very long way to write what 8 to the third power is. And last but not least, our answer of 512, this is called standard form. So now let's go ahead and try a couple here. So we have 2 to the fourth power. So we write that as 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. And when we do all of our calculations, 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 2 gives us a final answer of 16. So we can say 2 to the fourth power is equal to 16. So now we have 3 to the second power. So 3 to the second power, we write that as 3 times 3. That gives us an answer of 9. And so we can say that 3 to the second power is equal to 9. So let's try another one. Here's 4 to the third power. That tells us we're going to do 4 times 4 times 4. And that equals, so 4 times 4 gives us 16. 16 times 4 gives us a grand total of 64. So we can also know that any number to the 0 power is going to be equal to 1. So we have 8 to the 0 power, so our exponent is 0, gives us 1. So we can say that any number to the 0 power equals 1. So 6 to the 0 power equals grand total of 1.